Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial we are going to look at some basic operations in Microsoft Excel. We will be looking at addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Please note that I am using the 2013 Professional Plus Microsoft Excel version. However, the other versions are very much similar and you won't find it difficult to work your way through. Now let us check out some basic functions. I have already got some figures out on the Excel sheet just to speed up this tutorial. There are several ways of adding figures on Microsoft Excel. One of the simplest ways is to insert the equal sign on the cell you prefer and then type the cells you want to add. Here in this example, I would like to add cells C3 and D3. So all you have to do is to insert equal sign and then type in C3 and then insert the plus sign, and then type D3. Once you have done that, you press the Enter key. Another way would be to type the equal sign, and then click on the cells you would like to add. I would like to add the cells C3, D3 and E3. Therefore I will click on cell C3, and then insert a plus sign, and again click the cell D3, insert the plus sign again, and then click on the cell E3, and finally press the Enter key. Another way to add is to use the sum function. For example, if you wish to get the total of these 5 cells C3 to G3, insert the equal sign and then type sum. Here I will open parentheses and type C3, insert the semicolon and then type in G3. And then close the parentheses and press Enter. Another simple way to do this is to use the sum function shortcut. Unless there is a pre-entered formula in the cells you use, it will automatically choose all the numbers horizontally or vertically. But here I will manually drag from the selected cell to C3 and press Enter. Another shortcut for the sum function will be to select the desired cells and then using this shortcut. Here you will find several shortcuts for many options that you may need to use frequently. This shortcut helps from wasting time looking for functions and shortcuts through the tabs above. Once you are here in the shortcut, now select the Totals tab. Here you will find two sum function. One for vertical totaling and the other for horizontal totaling. We will select the horizontal totaling for this example. Moving on from addition, let's look at how to use subtraction in Excel. Let's say we need to subtract 7 and 4. Insert equal sign and then type the cell name C4, then you insert the minus symbol and now type D4 and press the Enter. Now you have your answer. You can also use the same method used to subtract figures from multiple cells in the same column or row. This is how you do it and it can be used in addition too. First type in equal sign and then click on cell C5. Then insert the minus sign and click on D5 and then select the cell E5 and then go ahead and press Enter. You can also subtract between columns and rows as follows, which again is applicable to addition too. In this instance, we will be using the following cells C3, D4 and D5. Now type the equal sign and then click on C3 minus D4 and then minus D5 and then press Enter. And you have your answer. So those were some of the ways to perform subtraction in Microsoft Excel. Now, let's take a look at how to perform division in Microsoft Excel. In this instance we are going to divide the cell C5 from D5. Insert the equal sign and then type C5 and then insert the divide sign and then type D5. Press Enter as usual and you have your answer. It's that simple to perform the calculations in Microsoft Excel. Multiplication is also very similar to the above approach. It's only the sign that changes. This time we will multiply the cells C6 and D6. Insert the equal sign and type C6 and then insert the multiply sign and then type D6 and press the Enter key. That's all it is for this chapter. We have covered addition, subtraction, multiplication and division in this chapter. Check out my other Microsoft Office Excel beginner tutorials for more. Please like my video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.